Primary care providers are usually the first point of contact with the healthcare system, often diagnosing and treating common illnesses before they become serious. But as Newsweek reporter Antoinette Del Bell tells us, the number of people seeking primary care is dropping, and that's causing concern among health professionals, especially during a pandemic.
And then in the waiting room, we actually have our chairs distanced.
From inside the waiting room to the social distancing markers outside, Bon Secours primary care offices are ready for patients in the age of COVID-19. The only problem, getting people to visit.
This is Ashley.
Something that's especially concerning in a pandemic that disproportionately affects Black, Latin, and Native American communities.
Primary care is something that so many people often don't have access to, and those are generally the underserved populations, and they need it the most.
Rachel D'Angelo is a nurse practitioner who works in family and internal medicine at Bon Secours. She says the number of people who have a primary care provider is dropping as urgent care options expand. Lives get busier and visits are only made when patients are sick.
They say, well, I don't want to wait, I want to go now, and that's where that lack of follow-up comes in.
Primary care professionals are typically a patient's first line of defense, often the first to notice signs of depression, cancer, and other health concerns before they become serious.
PCPs are like the quarterback on the team. Anything from blood pressure to malignancy to lung disease. All of those things can be caught a lot earlier.
And regular checkups and screenings can help us live longer and feel better. Statistics show Americans who have a primary care doctor are 19% less likely to die prematurely than those who don't.
See your primary care provider regularly. You never know. Going to do that might save your life one day.
To find a primary care provider in your network, check with your insurance company. I'm Antoinette Del Bell for News 3.